Have your gemstones lost their sparkle? Has your gold lost its luster? Get a jewelry store quality cleaning right in your own home. Restore your jewelry with Flitz Ultrasonic Cleaner Concentrate for diamonds and gemstones. It's completely safe on precious pieces and costume jewelry. It easily removes soap scum, lotion residue, body oils, grease, makeup, and hairspray from metals and gemstones. It quickly cleans metals such as gold, silver, platinum, rhodium, sterling silver, titanium, stainless steel, rose gold, tungsten, copper, palladium, zinc, and more. It restores and clarifies diamonds and gemstones, including emeralds, rubies, sapphires, amethysts, garnets, opals, jade, amber, turquoise, agate, pearls, and more. It's perfectly safe to use on synthetic diamond simulants such as cubic zirconia, rhinestone, moissanite, rutile, spinel, flint glass, and strontium titanate. It's also safe for use on natural diamond simulants such as topaz, zircon, andradite, and quartz crystal. You can use it on belt buckles, eyeglasses, sunglasses, and watch bands. To use, pour 4 capfuls of Flitz Ultrasonic Cleaner with 1 cup of water into an ultrasonic basin. Then run the basin for 90 seconds to 3 minutes. Once the piece is clean, remove from the solution, rinse with water, and dry with a Flitz polishing cloth for a high shine and luster. For extremely dirty jewelry, add an additional capful of concentrate to the basin. The ultrasonic cleaner can be reused until it becomes visibly dirty or cloudy. Restore heirlooms for the next generation. Get Flitz Ultrasonic Cleaner for your diamonds and gemstones. Keeping your jewelry clean on the go is easy with the Flitz Diamond and Gemstone Cleaner Atomizer. First, spray and blot your jewelry with the microfiber cloth. Work any residue out with a soft bristle brush. Then rinse with water and dry with a microfiber cloth. Your pieces will sparkle and shine. For the ultimate brilliance on metal finishes, finish with Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream cleans, polishes, and protects all of your metal finishes. Please note, some costume jewelry contains an electroplated metal finish. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream should not be used on costume jewelry or pearls. First, use sparingly and apply the polish onto a microfiber cloth. Rub the polish onto the metal. Do not let the polish dry. Then buff to a high luster. Keep your jewelry clean and shining much longer for years to come. Get yours today.